So once you're signed up for a free trial account, you get an overview of your dashboard and your workspace. We're going to look at all these items later on. Let's start with journey maps. Once you're in journey map, you see there is already an example map that you can look at, but we want to create a journey map and we're going to use AI to quickly create a first map. Now add a prompt that is useful for you in whatever field you're working on. The first map you want to operationalize, you want to add pain points to, create a prompt for it. I'm going to use as an example a prompt from retail banking, basically the journey of a customer opening up a new account. Now, the first step in our Smaply AI, when you create a journey map, is prompt engineering. We could now go into details and change things here, but for now, all I want is give me a rough outline I can work with. So before we really create the whole journey, the last step in Smaply AI is to show you the outline of the journey. Now on the right hand side, you get a little preview. These are the stages underneath the steps. And we can go now through the details and say, well, are these stages right? Are these steps right? You can grab them, you can move them around. You see the preview is adapting. And you can add more steps to it or delete some steps. But I'm actually quite happy with this outline. That's all I need, at least for now. Well, you have data, so adjust this however you need it. But nothing of that is set in stone. You can change it later if you want. Now, what you see at the bottom are a few additional lanes we could add. So we could add now storyboard images or add channels to it. But I suggest that we start with the basics, step stages, a description and emotional journey. That's all we need for now. So once you're done and happy with the outline, click on add to your journey map. So only now we are really creating the map in Smaply for you. What you see are the different lanes. On top we have the stages, you see steps, you see the step description and an emotional chart. So typically we use emotional charts also to compare different customer segments. We don't want to do it for now. So get rid of one of those lanes and maybe change the other one. I would prefer to have it in blue, but that's just my own preference. And I just call it customer satisfaction because that's what we're going to use it for later. Good enough for now. Leave it as it is for now. Get a little bit familiar with Smaply. Basically what you can do, all these are different card types. You can drag and drop the length of them. You can change it. You can grab them and move them freely around this canvas. You can add more cards to it. And we're going to talk about some of these in the next videos, but that's all you need to do for now.